Welcome back to ECOSTRESS tutorials. This tutorial will teach you how to download and set up Visual Studio Code for use with ECOSTRESS data. Let's start by searching the web for Visual Studio Code. Go ahead and click on this first link. This will take you to the Visual Studio Code website. Click on this blue Download for Mac OS button. Then it will thank you for downloading Visual Studio Code. Open your Finder and navigate to the Downloads folder. You will see the Visual Studio Code zipped folder. Double-click to open it. You now have the Visual Studio Code application on your device. You can move this to the Applications folder. It might prompt you to open it. If it does, go ahead and click Open. If not, you can navigate to the Applications folder and open it manually. Once you have Visual Studio Code installed, let's install some extensions. Go ahead and click on this icon, which will open the Extensions tab. Here we can search for Python and click Install. Next, let's search for Jupyter. It's spelled a little different. Find this one by Microsoft and click Install. Now that you have the extensions installed, let's get connected to a folder. Select File, Open Folder. This will open a new Finder window where you can navigate to the folder where your data is stored. Once you've found the folder with your data, click Open. Click Yes that you trust the authors. Now you can see in the Explorer tab, we are connected to our data. Now, let's make a new Jupyter Notebook file. Click this icon here to add a new file. Name your file. Make sure it ends in IPYNB. This will ensure that it ends up being a Jupyter Notebook. Press Enter to create the file. Now you will see your notebook has been opened in the main window. The last thing we need to do is set the Python interpreter and the kernel to the correct environment. Start by pressing Command, Shift, and P at the same time to open the command palette. Now type Python select interpreter. Click on this option. Now, a list will appear with your interpreter options. You can select whatever environment you would like, but I'm going to select the one I set up to work on this data, which I called ECOSTRESS. To select it, click on it. Now, your Visual Studio Code is set up for writing Python code in a Jupyter Notebook for ECOSTRESS data. Thank you for watching this ECOSTRESS tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. For more trainings, tutorials, and information, including a written version of this tutorial, go to ecostress.jpl.nasa.gov/documents, which will be linked in the description.